The mysterious sneezing powder. Students sit at their desks, waiting for the teacher to arrive. Charlie, a mischievous student, holds a small bottle labeled sneezing powder. Charlie, whispering, "Time for some viral fun!" Charlie sprinkles the sneezing powder discreetly on the classroom fan. The teacher enters the room, unaware of what's about to happen. Teacher, cheerful, "Good morning, class." Suddenly, the fan starts spinning, dispersing the sneezing powder throughout the room. Students begin sneezing uncontrollably, one after another. Student 1, sneezing. Achoo! Student 2, sneezing. Achoo! The sneezing becomes contagious, spreading chaos among the students. Charlie stifles a laugh, trying to maintain a serious expression. The teacher, confused and concerned, tries to restore order. Teacher, shouting, "Quiet, everyone! What's happening?" Charlie can't hold back anymore and bursts into laughter. Charlie, giggling, "It's the sneezing powder, everyone! Sorry, couldn't resist." The students, now realizing the prank, join Charlie in laughter. Teacher, smiling, "Well, I must admit that was quite the unexpected start to the day." The students continue laughing, sharing a moment of lightheartedness.